Warning, these are trained professionals. Do not attempt anything you see in this video.
I don't know if it's gonna go though, like you said, it's in movies, bro. Oh shit.
We're making a movie!
We're making a fucking movie, bro. Here we go. Oh, my shit's definitely catching on fire.
A couple weekends ago, the Bay Area RC car bashing team decided to take a weekend off from hosting huge events and have a nice quiet weekend down at HBK RC Park in Watsonville. Dave has done a great job building out HBK RC Park. He has an RC car track that you can run any scale truck or car that you want to on, and he has a awesome four-wheel drive RC car park with suspension bridges, scale structures and buildings, rock piles, dirt piles, and concrete piles. If you like our content, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe below. But stick around, because this quiet weekend turned into a real party real fast of RC cars, gasoline, and fire. And you're not going to want to miss that. So stay tuned.
Oh, I see he's filling his reservoir.
Double filling. No, triple. Actually, it's a triple fill.
That's enough.
You trying to lie? You got time to lie.
I'm glad. I think the reservoir's been topped off.
And this gasoline's warm too, bro. I love it like that. Fumes mixed with the air ball.
Okay, Stanley, we know.
Oh, nice for the cigarette.
That only worked in movies.
I don't know if it's gonna go though, like you said, it's in movies, bro. Oh shit.
We're making a movie!
We're making a fucking movie, bro. Here we go. Oh, my shit's definitely catching on fire. If lipos weren't... Oh, dude. How is that thing still alive? Oh! can you see that from? My depth perception is so bad.
Mine too.
Oh, we made it! Oh, sick! Man, that was all brassed out in the front. Oh! Don't worry. Some folks position themselves with the way they turn the wheels, they slide in a certain way. I'm like, dude, that's dope. You lose points for going fast, or you gotta go slow?
There's no speed limit.
Oh, okay, well then I'm mobbing. Dude, hey, fucking dude, I can get through it. If you don't gotta go slow, then dude, these things aren't cheap, bro. No, they're not. Fuck, dude, they're not. And for me to have one, I have to upgrade. Yeah.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the content. Please remember to like and subscribe. Smash that notification bell so you don't miss out, and we'll see you all next time.